So a couple days ago, we found out that our office has a little crawling space. We searched into it just a little bit more, and we found that it was actually a place where people went in World War I and II when they hid out and, hid from the people who were in World War I and II. But we know that this office was a pretty good history in the history of World War I and II. So, Dwight, did you hear about that little hideout space?
Yeah.
And what did you think?
Yeah, I'm manly enough to say I went in there.
What did you see in there?
You know, the usual. Zombies. Skeletons. Kind of stuff.
Dwight, if there were skeletons in there,
I swear there were.
what if it was a cabinet for Halloween decorations?
No way. The zombies had knives and grenades. They were coming after me.
World of Warcraft Day?
No. I was like fighting them back with my club of Zoltar.
Okay.
Yeah. You bet you jealous. Take like a SWAT dude to go down there and did what I did.
Okay.
With like a riot shield.
No. I really don't believe you. I mean, I could...
You want to see it? I'll do it. I'll go in there. You better watch. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
I think Dwight is crazy. I mean, I'll go down there. I'll see what's down there, but no way. There's zombies there. No way. They would have been dead. And he can't depress and freak out the people of this company. I mean, we need to make our paper. This is our deal. We gotta make it happen, or people won't get their paper. So this is where Dwight told me to go. Wow. Where is this stuff? I don't see him anywhere though. It must be Scaredy Cat. Told me it was right over here. Yep. This is it. Whoa. Just a place where they keep decorations. I thought this place would actually be just a little bit like you told me. Oh. The electricians did a pretty good job here. Looks like it wasn't as abandoned as I thought it would be. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. Well, they got a couple old stuff in here, but I mean, all this stuff is probably from 2000. Dwight? Oh. Come on. Dwight, is that you? Yeah, this is just weird. whatever. Come on. It was nothing. I own that place, I think. It was just a bunch of decorations. Nothing bad. But there was just this one incident which was it? It was